Welcome back to Token Space, your daily source for crypto market insights, meme coin analysis, and trading updates. Today we're diving into Pepe coin, one of the biggest meme tokens in the market right now. We'll break down the latest price action, market sentiment, trading volume, and what the charts are telling us next. Let's jump right into it. As of today, Pepe is trading around $0.053623, down roughly 4.4% in the last 24 hours. The market cap currently sits near $1.49 billion, while trading volume has exploded above $214 million. Even though price is dropping, volume is actually rising, and that usually means traders are highly active right now. Let's look deeper into the numbers. Pepe currently has over 413 trillion tokens in circulation, with almost the full supply already unlocked. The volume to market cap ratio is sitting above 14.25%, showing strong liquidity and active market participation. Pepe also has more than 553,000 holders, proving the meme coin community remains massive despite short-term volatility. Now let's analyze the chart. On the 1-hour time frame, Pepe is clearly in a short-term downtrend. We can see lower highs and lower lows forming consistently. However, the interesting part is happening near support levels. The price is starting to consolidate after heavy selling pressure. This usually means the market is trying to decide its next major move. If buyers step in with strong volume, Pepe could attempt a rebound toward resistance zones. But if support breaks, we may see another leg downward. Despite the recent dip, community sentiment remains surprisingly bullish. Around 85% of traders are still optimistic on Pepe, while only 15% remain bearish. That tells us many investors still believe this meme coin has strong momentum potential during the next market rally. One key thing traders are watching right now is consolidation near the bottom range. Historically, meme coins like Pepe often experience explosive moves after long consolidation phases. A breakout above resistance could trigger strong FOMO buying, especially if Bitcoin and the broader crypto market remain bullish. But remember, meme coins are extremely volatile, so risk management is very important. And that's today's Pepe market update here on Token Space. Do you think Pepe can recover from this dip, or is more downside coming? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a crypto update. Thanks for watching Token Space, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah.